Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about Cardano targets updates with my customer because what's going on after this BTC fall. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So the main targets for Cardano, I don't want to remind you because nothing special happened for the global one for Cardano. So $1.92, $2.20, $2.59, $2.77. So this is the targets what I'm waiting for Cardano. And maybe if you believe in new all-time high for ADA, it's $4.55. So this is my final take for Cardano. Usually this one August for Cardano. So maybe this time it's going to be second August in history when the Cardano pump will pump like 100% gains. Is it possible? Basically, yes, but who knows? So with even with 100% gains, it's going to be just $1.50, even less. So guys, usually wow. Sorry, but June, crazy red. August, crazy red. September, mostly red. October, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red, 3 green. This Cardano, April. Usually April and May is the most positive months for the Cardano. All right. Anyway, guys, like I told you before, one of these months should be red for Cardano, September or August. We can't know. The Fed kept the rate at the same rate, so nothing special happened. People like usual hop into the BTC and altcoins after the pump by end of the month, but we need to come down. So would be good to see that kind of drop for Cardano. Cardano on the weekly time frame, I guess here. Yes, I wish to see on the Cardano drop in August too. This one too, 66 cents and 10, and maybe even the full field 61. So this is going to be the best case scenario for Cardano. If the August gonna be green one, of course, guys, we should skyrocket over then 74 cents, 67, and to even sweep this high. Yes, because everything above, here are the stop losses, here are the stop losses, here is stop losses on the monthly. I don't think so. Cardano will drop like this one to the full field. So this is not that type of scenario. What I'm waiting for, I'm waiting on the weekly time frame. Yes, this is what I wish to see, something like this one, some consolidation, and start climbing up to break the structure and going higher. No, makes sense to pay attention now for anything what Cardano will post on their social, guys, because with that news or without that news, the price will be delivered in the right time, in the right moment, with Hoskinson or without a Hoskinson. So that's why, guys, on the weekly, you can mark the price target. 66 cents going to be just the best, personally, for me, the correction for Cardano. I don't believe in drop to the full field, but yes, we still got like a gap even on a weekly time frame. But basically, we grab that liquidity one time, second time, third time. So this liquidity is grabbed. I don't see any reason why the Cardano should drop to 50 cents again. If yes, imagine the smell on other altcoins. It's going to be just horrible. Of course, guys, once again, take a look. The people never fix the profit. So this is an impulse. So here, impulse, and we already passed the... Let's hide this fee. So this is a local one. So we're already past the 0.5 of this impulse. 68, 62. It will be more than enough, for correction. Basically, even the 0.5, it's enough, but I wish to see the 68. 68, maybe the 62 is going to be the perfect one. 62 cents, $1.20, you withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. Zero risk, guys. 4 hours in frame. It's hard to say it's bullish. Technically, we started build the structure, local one. No, come on. This one. 1, 2. Now we can see the bounce like this one. Even sweep this high. And going down. And this is going to be the best case scenario for Cardano. It can be in theory, the channel. And go higher. So this is a plan for Cardano for August or September. This is the plan. If you feel comfortable at 72 cents, you can accumulate even now. I'm going to wait to the 62. Maybe will not drop to 62. That's why I'm going to skip the Cardano. For speculation, I'm not a fan of Cardano. I'm not accumulating Cardano for investment. There is some news, yes. A major liquidation in 24 hours. Cardano is down Cardano DeFi 16 struggle. All right, Cardano always struggle. So here, this was a time for accumulation on the daily. This is time for distribution. There is no new signal for accumulation. That's why, guys, I recommended to wait at least some signals, some beginning of the accumulation from the whales on the daily. So it was like accumulation since June 14 till the pump in June 24. So 10 days accumulation. That's why I wish to see, yes, this drop and accumulation. I'll take a look the markets more. We need to see the capitulation. So let's add alert to capitulation zone. All that one on all notifications I share with you in channel, not on channel, in Twitter. So this was a BNB signal to sell. It's BTC crossed, wine crossing, BTC money outflow from the INA. The last one, the glimmer crossing. So wait, the market smooth capitulation. This one on the daily time frame. This is gonna be that trigger. Maybe to accumulate Cardano again. 12 time frame, still optimism for Cardano. And I saw the news, I could find that post some stats. So on a second president period, all the time, the stock market and I guess the crypto always red. So I think it's about a Trump. Need to find that post and share with you. So here on 12 time frame, let's go to the daily. Here, money inflow, money outflow, money outflow. So obviously the top money outflow. Need to see some money inflow. So let's add alert to the money power, money inflow. Wait, that targets. Last two indicators straight on. Buy, sell, no signal to buy. Let's add alert to the trade on. Take profit. I need to see the take profit from that sell. Like it's happening here before. So here, sell, take profit, buy, pump. Last time it was like so obvious, also like 68%, even more. That's why, guys, no rush, better no rush. So it's just the first day of the month, just no rush. So better, first week, calm down, maybe just close the chart, just touch the grass and walk around, build a plan for the altcoins which you want to accumulate, because I think in October and November, I think we'll see some positive in the market, and maybe we'll see the continuation of the altcoin season. Take profit, guys, indicator here. The buy line on the daily, it's 47. Honestly, I don't think so. We're going to drop to 47. I can be wrong, but I don't think so. 12-hour time frame. Here the lines are dynamic. Now it's 45.79. It's a buy line, but lines are dynamic, and I think it can be here, something like this one. It's going to be the perfect one. That's why, guys, my take for Cardano is mark the levels 68, 62. So let's say 68 and 60. These 8 tenths, I think this can be the good zone for accumulation. Of course, with the stop losses, if you trade with futures, with leverages or on the spots, I'm not recommended to fall in love with the DCA, and accumulate all the time, just randomly. Build a plan, for Cardano. Weekly time frame, we still not touch the buy line, but I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 40 cents, so over than 50% down now. Like, I don't think so. I don't think so. But who knows? Let's see. Targets bullish one relevant. Highly recommend you just no rush and pay attention now for the daily time frames and track the weekly gap. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Write plus in a comment what you think about Cardano now. If you like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.